Children, with the spread of coronavirus, we teachers were asked to move the classes online. Online learning requires to use microcomputers. Children, do you know what are the microcomputers? These are microcomputers. They are designed for personal use. These are mainly used at the following places, namely the first one, children, schools. X, hospitals. Next, banks. X, offices. And the last one, homes. In many countries, microcomputers are already being used as devices for teaching students just like you children. The desktop is the most common computer with a monitor, system unit, keyboard, and mouse typically placed on a desk. A laptop is a small lightweight computer that can be easily carried from one place to another. You can put it on your lap, that's why it's called a laptop. They can work with returnable batteries. Next is the tablet. Next is the tablet. A tablet is a special type of computer, small in size with digital camera, touchscreen, and microphone. You can use a pen-like device called stylus. Last is a smartphone. A smartphone is a mobile phone that can be used as a small computer. They are designed for personal use. Number two, they can work with rechargeable battery and bigger than the smartphone. Number three, it is also known as the personal computer.
Number 4, special type of computer with a stylus pen larger than the smartphone.